Hey there, Amy Hetrick here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're brand new and this is your first time, and I hope you can draw along with me and have fun. I'm continuing my animal series because it's just way too much fun. So this week we're going to draw penguins. I love penguins. They just are so cute. I mean, they're just cute. You can't really go wrong with penguins. So we're going to draw a bunch of different ones. So if you want to just grab some paper and a pencil. I'm just keeping this series really simple because I want to show you that you don't need a lot of supplies. You don't need to spend a lot of money to get started drawing. Just a pencil and paper is all you need, and it can be cheap pencil and paper. It does not have to be expensive. Just grab what you have. I'm a firm believer in just grabbing what you have. So come join me at my art table, and if you like this channel, please subscribe or give me a like. That would be great. All right, thank you. Okay, I'm very excited about drawing penguins with you, so I'm going to get to it. Penguins can be so fun to draw. I'm going to show you how I start with the head. I'm just going to do like almost a full circle like that and stop. That's the head. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw the body and then the wings. And then I like little fat chubby penguins to curve down and stop. Okay, we're just going to do a regular penguin to start with, meaning regular, meaning not doing anything or holding anything, and then I'll show you how you can have them come to life really well. Okay, the feet will just be 1 scoop, 2, 3 scoops. Okay, 2, 3. You could also do little triangles if you wanted, like that instead. It doesn't really matter. All right, then I'm going to do the wings like that. So I just screwed down, stop, curved back around, curved down, stop, curved down. So he's got his like arms out a little bit. Okay, now they're black on the outside, and then white on the inside. So I'm going to curve up. I'm going to follow that shape of the head and then come to a point and do the same thing. Follow the shape of the head. Stop, connect to the wings, connect to the wings. And that's all going to be like black. Okay. Super easy. Penguins are so fun. Okay, now we're going to do the nose. I should have brought this down. I'm going to bring this down a little bit further because the nose is going to connect to it. Now I'm just going to do a little oval shape like this. And then I'm going to put a line down the center like that. So let me draw it a little bit bigger so you can see. Okay, that's the nose. And then you can just do little eyes, little dots for eyes. You can add eyebrows if you'd like. And there you go. I'm going to add a little bit of blush. And I'm going to add a little bit of orange for the feet. Okay, and that's just a normal, regular penguin. Now you can start drawing it however you want to do. Let's see. I'm trying to decide what do I want to do. Oh, I'm going to go back and do the outside of his body a little black. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm just going to draw a head. And then I'm going to draw the body. I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I think he's going to be out in the, maybe, I know. How about ice skating? He's out in the snow. They're going to, typically in the snow, icy areas. So I'm going to do, he's going to ice skate. So I'm doing, he's kind of on like an angle here, like his body's turned a little bit. So he's going to be trying to keep his balance with his wings. So I'm curving up and down. Curving up and down. Just try and keep his balance. Good to do. I'm gonna do a little stick, and I'm just gonna do like the little triangle. So I'm gonna go straight down over. Okay, that's gonna be his foot, and then I'm gonna put his ice skates on. Straight line, and then curve all the way up, and it looks like an ice skate. Okay, it's not perfect, but it'll work. He's gonna have his other foot up. I'm just winging this, guys. I should have probably practiced beforehand before I decided to do which one I want, but that's okay. Okay, so I went down with his foot like that, and I'm gonna put the skate here, straight line, and then curve it. There, he's on ice. So we'll put the little ice skating rink here. Ice skating. Okay. Now he's going to be turning this way. He's like facing this way. So you're going to see a little bit of his beak this way. So I'm going to curve it out like that. There's his little beak. All right. And then I'm going to curve down. This is the black part of his face. Curve down like that. Curve down. And then I'm going to attach it. Keep going and attach it to the wing. And then I'm going to fill that all in black. And then I'm going to put, he's really getting into his skating. So he's like listening to the music playing. That's why I'm going to put some music. He's really getting into the music. So he's going to have his eyes closed. So I'm going to just do a little rainbow curve there. Line in for his mouth. Cool. Going to add a little bit of blush because he's probably chilly. So he's probably got rosy cheeks. I think I'm going to add a scarf because he's probably chilly on the ice. So I'm going to just curve, straight line down, curve, connect it, fill it in, line back, and then connect it, and then fill it in. Put this one, go in this direction, scoop down, connect. Cool. Put the little fringes. Cool. I love a good stripe. So let's do green on top of that. Green stripes. And then adding a little bit of that color in the fringe. And then here you have an ice skating. Fun. I'm going to draw black on the outside. I always forget that. Why do I forget that? There you go. Okay, let's see. Maybe. Maybe. I know. Okay, I'm going to put a line here. We're going to have a cooking penguin. So this is his counter. I'm going to put a bowl. Curve, 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 curve. Okay, he's got a bowl. Curve. I'm going to erase this line. Okay, now, cooking mouse. What? Cooking penguin. Okay, head. Okay, I'm going to draw his body. Connect it to the counter. Connect it to the counter. Okay, now he's going to be stirring whatever is in this. So his one wing will be down, holding the bowl. So I curve it down and connect it. Curve it down and connect it, okay? And then we can fill that in so you can see the black. There we go. Now this one, he's going to have his wing, it's going to come up. And he's like holding it up here, but it's such a big spoon. Spoon is in there. I hope you enjoyed this video of penguins and draw a whole bunch, and I will see you next time. I'm not sure what animal I'm drawing next, but I think it's going to be a turtle. I think. So that would be fun. So come join me on the next video and happy drawing, and just have a good time and have fun. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.